Wood versus brick houses, which is best for you? Dear friends, the type of material used to build a new house is very important, as it determines the quality of the design, comfort, and longevity of the structure. Despite the wide variety of building materials used every day, wood and brick remain the most popular types of material used in modern buildings. Both materials have their benefits and downsides, and individual choices may vary depending on their budget and preferences. This video will help you decide whether a brick house is better than a wooden house and the reasons why people choose one over the other. Brick home benefits. There is a benefit to how nice brick looks on a home. Not only does it tend to add a sophisticated aesthetic, but it also adds value to your home. This will make it easier to sell your house when the time comes. It's a natural choice, and bricks can come in various shades and hues, depending on the specific rock material you use. It's also great for cold weather because brick retains natural heat and stays warm for longer. This means your household's expenses for gas and heat will decrease and save you money in the long run. Brick protects your home from damage during particularly harsh storms. It's fireproof, termite-proof, and durable over a long period of time. Wood home advantages. Wood is more of a traditional material for your home. Typically, stick-built houses are more affordable than block homes. These types of homes are fairly easy to work with, and the material is lightweight, too. Generally, wood is more convenient, especially in certain settings. In areas where erosion and silt accumulate, wood stands up better because it damages brick walls, whereas wood is resistant. Wood is also a great insulator. On cold nights you have a better chance of keeping your heat in and staying warm. Wood absorbs humidity, and is a natural air conditioner. It can be wood paneling or a log house. Another advantage is that it's more flexible than brick. Cons for brick homes. This material is more expensive than wood. It can't be torn down or moved easily, and sometimes the bricks are irregular in shape. Sometimes in damp or humid areas, brick can be vulnerable to mold because it expands and contracts with cold temperatures and has pores where mold collects. Vines are another problem because vines damage the bricks. Sometimes chips or fired bricks might need repairs requiring patching and new mortar. Disadvantages of wood homes. The main reason homebuyers tend to like brick better than wood is because of the wear and tear wood goes through. You have to worry about termite damage, and even water damage because mold can become a problem as well. Another reason wood might not stand up to brick is that it needs to be chemically treated to resist pests. The material can also expand and contract in harsh storms, not to mention warp or twist during bad weather. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.